Bullish DAI cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $9.80 by 2030. Market examiners accept DAI could reach $4.50 by 2025. Bearish DAI market cost expectation for 2022 is 80 cents. DAI presentation. DAI has entered the crypto market as a remarkable and important token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the Creator Convention. In the event that you're interested about the cost of DAI, look no further. In this DAI cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you want to be familiar with the cost of DAI, from the ongoing cost to most extreme value, DAI cost today, normal gauge cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether DAI is probably going to be a wise speculation for what's in store. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed DAI cost figure. What is DAI? DAI is a cryptographic money resource sent off as the very first security-supported, decentralized digital currency. DAI is not the same as different monetary standards in the crypto market. Dissimilar to resource-supported monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven, DAI endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the Creator Convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. DAI can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation designated in ETH, the local cash of Ethereum. How does DAI function? Collateralized credits are a way for a bank to utilize resources they own to get a credit. These collateralized credits have a fundamentally lower financing cost than conventional unstable advances, as moneylenders can seize and sell resources in the event that the borrower can't reimburse their advance. Utilizing brilliant agreements running on the Ethereum blockchain, the Creator Convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thusly, used to produce new DAI tokens as credits. To recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay a charge and return the DAI to the convention. This model guarantees that DAI's inventory can't be adjusted by any gatherings. A decent stockpile is kept up with through a perplexing arrangement of savvy contracts, which answer ongoing business sector changes in the costs of concerned resources. Who made DAI? DAI was authoritatively sent off in 2017 on the Creator Convention made by the producer establishment. The organizer behind Creator Establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the venture, meaning to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out advances. DAI was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is represented by MakerDAO, which took over from the Creator Establishment. The DAI Token. The MakerDAO network has two local tokens, MKR and DAI. DAI's job as a stablecoin on the organization makes it exceptional from other ordinary digital currencies. While conventional crypto costs are profoundly unpredictable, DAI's worth is connected to that of a government-issued money, for this situation, the US dollar. This means the cost of DAI ought to remain nearby or be equivalent to $1 consistently. In any case, this doesn't necessarily occur, and the coin sees cost increments and drops. In any case, when contrasted in other cryptographic forms of money, DAI's worth is fundamentally less unpredictable. This component of DAI's cost is fundamental to consider while making a DAI cost expectation. DAI Crucial Examination. Generally speaking, DAI is a creative task with strong essentials. Underneath, we've featured a portion of the top DAI elements and advantages. Security. The DAI environment is exceptionally secure, with measures like two-factor validation, a protected incorporated wallet, and routine reviews permitting clients to use the stage's advantages straightforward. DAI Specialized Examination. Any DAI cost expectation needs to consider the one-of-a-kind position the DAI token holds in the crypto market. Like other cryptographic forms of money, it is programmable, borderless, and simple to move. However, what separates DAI is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown distinct fascination with purchasing DAI on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and productivity like other digital currencies, however dodges the cost instability and inborn gamble factor. As a stablecoin, DAI is a significant token for making a safe venture and keeping away from high instability periods that storm the open crypto market. Concerning whether or not DAI cost will go up from here on out, there is nobody right response. The coin's cost can changes, however its main role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that in a perfect world, DAI's cost shouldn't vary a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of DAI with the US dollar, which makes both decay and development an ill-conceived notion for the coin. Be that as it may, DAI's cost could in any case vary, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market feeling and do your own examination prior to pursuing a purchasing choice. DAI Current Cost. DAI is at present worth $1 USD. DAI has moved 0.08% as of now with an exchanging volume of $257,444,538. DAI is at present position 13 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $6,207,532,746 USD. DAI Value Expectation 2022. DAI, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The DAI cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.50. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the DAI's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2024. DAI Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that DAI effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2025. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DAI has a most extreme value worth of $5.50. DAI Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. In the event that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.50. Neglecting to accumulate the help DAI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6. DAI Value Expectation 2028. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2028. DAI Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, DAI will at last outperform its past